Hello, in front of me I have OPPO band and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply tap on it. Then swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the list of options, find the settings, and then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About Band and tap on it. And here we have the serial number listed, as you can see. You can then swipe right on the screen to go back. You can also check the serial number via the phone app if your Smartband is paired with a phone. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the HeyTap Health application on our phone. In the application, you should see the health page. Then tap on the Manage. Here, scroll down. Tap on More and tap on About Band. And here we have the device serial number. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.